Hello everyone. Hello. This is Trade with Cloud. So today I want to teach you all the perfect way to draw a support and a resistance line. And I want you all to understand that this is going to be the bedrock, the foundation to your professional trading. So you just have to follow whatever I teach. Backtest this. Go to your charts, your metaphor whatsoever, draw it this way. I'm going to teach it. And I want you all to ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube subscribe to this channel and click on the bell so whenever I drop a new video you would be notified and you can watch so you don't make mistakes and later come online and watch and say, oh, Mr. Cloud taught this and I made a mistake. I remember your very own Mr. Cloud Oleka, and this is Straight with Cloud YouTube channel. So I want you all to practice, to watch, to understand, to ask questions, comment, like and share this video. And thanks every one of you. I appreciate. So let's proceed. Thank you. I want you all to understand what drawing a support and resistance is, because I tell my students, I tell people that I am not a teacher that would come and start flaunting my lifestyles to you, showing you how rich trading has made me, showing you how prosperous trading has made me, trying to lure you, trying to make you see that, oh, I'm balling, oh, I'm living large. It's not necessary, because whatever I try to show you, however I try to live, I am not. It doesn't affect your life. It doesn't make you rich. If I am the one rich, showing you my Lambos, showing you how rich I am, then you will just be admiring me, and I'm there enjoying myself. And whereas you're not getting anything. So I told my student I'm more of a teacher that tries to teach you this, that tries to put this knowledge inside of you. Because one thing I'm certain is that trading has changed my life. Trading has given me so much money than any business I've ever done in this life, and I see trading as the easiest way to become financially successful. So today I am going to teach you all something we call the support and the resistance. Drawing your support and resistance is very, very important. So you must learn it, because if you start using the MA, the EMA, the stochastics, the VWAPs, the CPR, whatever indicator you are using, and you cannot properly draw a support and resistance, then you are fucking up. Then you are just not going to be a profitable trader, because that is the first step for a beginner. Because as a beginner, you must learn how to draw this. Because when you can draw this, then you can conquer the market. Then you can understand what is really happening in the market. So after I've taught you guys how to draw the support and resistance, then I'll also teach you how to draw the trend channels, which is if the market is in an uptrend like this. This is an uptrend. So I'll also teach you how to draw a trend channel. But now, the bedrock to trading is drawing a support and resistance, which I am going to teach to you now. It's very important. So now, first and first, you need to understand that when you draw a support and resistance, you are not drawing a support and resistance. You would not say to yourself, oh, this is a green candle and this is a red candle. No, I cannot draw here. Okay, look at this now. You would not say to yourself that, oh, this is a green candle. I can't draw my support and resistance here. I can use this green candle and red candle for resistance. I need to find where it will just be green candles. I'll start looking for only the place that green candle are in line with each other. You understand? That is the mistake people make. What I want you all to understand is whenever you see something like this, whenever you see something like this tiny line, let me just call it tiny line, but it is called a wick, WICK. So whenever you see this tiny line like this, what this is telling you is that the price actually got to this level before closing at this level. Remember something, the green candle will always open from the down and close at the top. The red candle will always open from the top and close at the down, because this is how it is. Traditionally, it's the green candle and red candlesticks. So this is how it is. The green candle is showing you that the price is going up. Very easy to understand. The red candle is showing you that the price is actually coming down. So when you're drawing your support and resistance, you're not just drawing your support and resistance against a green candle alone. You understand? Because this week now, that means this price actually got to this level before it closed at this level. You understand? So this week will definitely show you that, oh, the price definitely got to this level. Let me zoom up so you can understand what a week is. So this is what I call a week. All these things, this tiny line. So whenever you see them, this is show you that, oh, the price actually reached this level before closing at this level. You understand? This now the price actually reach this level before closing at this level. So this is what you should understand, because when you want to draw a support and a resistance, if you do not know this, you are definitely going to be making some very serious mistakes that you are going to regret. So as a trader, as a trader, regardless of whatever strategy you want to use to trade, but regardless of whatever knowledge anyone has impacted in you, regardless of whatever indicator you are using, if you cannot properly draw a support and a resistance line, if you cannot properly draw a support and a resistance line, you are just simply wasting your time as a trader. It means that you are fucking up. You are fucking up big time. So the first step, before you say, oh, I want to be a profitable trader, the first thing you must learn, the first step. Okay, before you say to yourself that you want to be a profitable trader, the first step, seriously, trust me, the first step you must learn is how to properly draw a support and a resistance line. And a support and resistance line should definitely and should always be against the wicks of the candle. Okay, draw draw your support. So I say draw your support and resistance line using the wicks of the red and green candles. Very important, because if you do not do this, you are just simply, I would just have to do it like this so you can all see it very easy. So this is it. I said, look at this, very important. I say draw your support and resistance lines using the wicks of the red and green candles. I explain what a wick is. A wick is this tiny, tiny lines. So when you want to draw, don't say, oh, green, green, I need to find green, green. Or, oh, I need to find red, red to draw my support. Oh, to draw my resistance, I need to find green, green. You're going to be making a very crazy mistake. Very, very crazy mistake. So what I advise most people to do is, the reason why this is small is because I'm using my MacBook, so it's not really that bold. If it was my Windows, the candles are very bold. So you try to zoom out. So yeah, I'm not going to zoom out so you can all see this. I'm going to zoom in so you can all see this. And make sure before you try to draw a support and resistance line, make sure you can locate an area of support first before you draw it. And you have to go now. Before you draw a support and a resistance, it's very important that you check this. So now let's say this is a chart now. I just came into the market and this is what is showing in my screen. And how can I, because this candlestick is definitely going to play out, so how can I now draw a support and a resistance line? Very, very important. So now I have to draw my support and resistance line using the wicks of the red and green candles. Remember, draw your support and resistance line using the wicks of the red and green candle. So now it's not just about using the wicks, which is, remember, the wicks is this, the wick is this, the wick is this. So the wicks, remember, it's not just about using the wicks and the wicks of the red and green candle. Now you have to understand where is the support and where is the resistance. Very important, very easy. I make it very easy for you. The resistance is always the up part. The upper part of every chart is always the resistance. The lower part of every chart is always the support. Finish. You don't need to crack your head for anything. So when I say I want to draw a resistance line, I'll have to start drawing it from this up part. When I say I want to draw a support line, I will have to start drawing it from this lower part. Very important, because if you do not understand this, whatever you're doing, you might think here's a support and here's a resistance. So the resistance line is the upper part, the support line is the lower part. So now how do you draw it now using the wicks? Because look at this now, there are wicks here at this upper part. These are wicks, wicks, wicks. So how do you draw it? So this is very easy. I'm not here to stress your brain. I'm not here to tell you, oh, I'm not here. I'm just here to just make you understand as quick and fast as possible. So now, this is what you do. You check the highest point that has a lot of contact. So what you do, you go to your trend tools, you go to this place here in your trading view. You go to this place. Now you find your horizontal line, because I always tell people use this. So when you click your horizontal line, remember, please always make sure it's on the cross. Please don't use the arrow, because you cannot really look at the arrow now. I cannot really understand what's happening. But when I use the cross for beginners, I can easily see all this. You understand? Like this dotted line. Are you seeing this dotted line? So this is very important. So now I want to draw a resistance. So I will have to find from the up side of this chart, the upper side of this chart, where I can see many points of contact, like where the price tried to break out from but did not succeed. So now if I try, this is the highest in this particular chart. Now this is the highest level the price reached. So and now in this chart, now this is the highest level, that this actually reached. Very important, this is the highest level. So I would not draw this no other place. So now this is how you draw a support, a resistance line. So let me draw, let you see something. So now I will use here to draw. So I'm going to use here to draw. So I'm using here as the resistance, which is I'm using this candle, and I'm using this candle here, and closer to this, but just this two. You understand? So looking at this up place now, you see there is no place that this candle now and this candle are not, the wicks are not at the same line. So now this is the trick. You just have to check at the upper chart of your chart. Check where the wick are connected, like touching them more. If maybe I didn't get this one and this two, probably I would definitely draw my support here. Let me show you. I would definitely use here to draw my resistance. Sorry. So you see here now I'm using this 1, 2, 3. You see there's a lot of contact here, but no, I don't want to use this because this is not their highest part. So I am using this now to draw my resistance. So now again, now I have to draw my support. Remember, you use the wick of the candles to draw your support and your resistance. And make sure at the resistance side, you find at the upper part of the resistance side, find the places where the price tried to break out, tried to reach, tried to hit, but did not succeed. Just like this now is my resistance, this is a resistance, which means look at all this now. The price tried now to rally around this place to break out of this place, but it did not succeed. It did not succeed. So your support, it's also the same principle too. So you have to make sure you find at least 2 points of intersection. So you just have to keep going up. If you cannot get 2 points, 2 points. If you cannot get 2 or 3 points, 2 and above, it shouldn't be 1 point. That's a single line resistance, single line support. I'm going to teach that, but that's not what I'm teaching you now, because now I am just saying you watching this video as a total novice. So I am trying to make you get this. So you just have to just try to find at least two touches downward the charts, 2 touches, very important. So now let's say I'm going to use okay, I've got him. So I followed my horizontal line. Remember, this is the horizontal line, very important. And I'm using TradingView. TradingView, very important. TradingView, it's to me it's much more better than Meta 4 So this is it. So now this is it. So I'm going to use these points now to draw. So look at this now. So now this is my resistance line. This is my resistance line. The up line is a resistance line, remember. And this other one now, this is my support line. So you see, this is it. So this is my resistance and support. So whenever someone tell you draw a support and resistance line, you just go into any chart and you just draw. So let me use first. Let me use Aussie dollar. Okay, let me use this Aussie dollar against the to draw for you a support and resistance line. So this is, so I want you all to understand this. It's very important because if you do not understand what a support and a resistance line is, you will definitely not understand what you're trading. So now I want to find, so I'm going to use this two part. Remember I said the upside of every chart you check for where there are two candles at the same line. If you cannot find at this level, you check level. If you cannot find, you check. There should be at least two or more, please. Two or more is very important. So now this now is an area of resistance and this now is an area of support. So now I have to find two. So here I can get at least two here. I can get two. You see one and two. You understand? So this now is my, okay. This, let me call it out. So this is my resistance line, and this is my support line. So you see how I just drew it very fast, very fast. So I'm gonna draw again on another chart. I'm just trying to make you all understand that it's not a big deal drawing the support and resistance. US dollar against the Japanese yen. So I'm just going to adjust like this so I can easily, because so I can easily see this. So this is it. So now I need to draw a support and resistance line. I need to draw a resistance line. Yeah, so I'll find up here. You see I can get 2 points here. Oh, it's a little more than two. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this is a very powerful resistance. Then now I need to find a support line, which is very important too. So I must get, okay, I've gotten down here. Okay, this is it. So this is my resistance. This is my resistance line, and this is my support, line. So you see, so in every market you can draw it. You would notice something. It's still playing in. It's still playing. It has not reached my support or my resistance. Like you see, here it tried breaking out, but since it did not succeed, you see what happened? Breakdown. You see here it broke out of my support. When it broke back in, you see how high it went. I'm going to display this strategy. See, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that now, because I'm going to be revealing strategies that people charge you thousands and thousands of dollars from. People charge you so much from. I'm going to be teaching it for free. This is just the beginning of the lecture. So that's what I'm saying. So I want you all to, if you've not subscribed to my channel, so make sure you do that now. It's very important because I'll be revealing strategies to you that I know people are charging you very high, very high amount of money to pay. So I offer signal classes, I offer advanced classes and mentorship classes. But even if you choose not to subscribe to my advanced or mentorship or signal class, whatever, you are definitely going to still learn a whole lot from this channel. So it's best for you to subscribe to my channel. I've taught over 3,000 students, and I just decided to open a YouTube channel so I can reach out to more people and help more people understand that trading is the best thing you can do for yourself. Forex trading, crypto trading is the best thing you can ever do for yourself. But first, if you do not understand all of this, you would think that trading is scam. You would think that trading is fraud, and that a mindset of thinking that it is fraud, and you would end up paying people to manage your account for you. End up meeting fraudsters and people who are going to defraud you, who are going to tell you, "Oh, I teach trading, I teach crypto, I teach forex. Just pay and subscribe to my channel." And after you've done all of that, you will realize that after the classes is over, you realize that you've not even learned anything. So I am Mr. Cloud Oleka, and I remain your very own teacher. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you comment, make sure you like, and make sure you You can post any question you have in the comment section. So make sure you just interact. I will drop my Telegram handle, which you can click on to also follow my free signals. I drop free signals every time of the week. I drop free signals and analysis, so it's best for you to click down to join my Telegram platform, and also my WhatsApp number is there. So I just want to teach you all this for free. So I just want you to learn, and you understand that trading is very profitable. Thanks very much, and God bless each and every one of you. So now I'll just do a recap before I close. I said a support and resistance. With a resistance line is the upside, the support line is the downside. And while you're drawing your resistance, make sure you find a point of contact, at least where the price tries to break out or try to reach so many times. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 at this place, and yeah, I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 at this place. You understand? So this is what you should know when you're drawing your support and resistance. So now this is the rule. Now, if this candle breaks out of here, the price is going to go high. If it breaks down here, the price is going to go down. So I'm going to explain a lot of things for you, and I'm going to teach you lots and lots of strategies that you would be like, oh God, I bless God for finding this channel. So I remain your very well, Mr. Cloud. Subscribe to my channel, like, and ensure that you practice. Go to your chart, go to your metaphor, go to your forest, whatever, go to your trading view. Just practice drawing the support and resistance line. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, and see what happens after your resistance line is broken. Because if your resistance line is broken and cannot give you a reversal, or cannot give you a breakout, which is an uptrend or a downtrend, that means you are not drawing your support and your resistance well. So the next teaching is going to be on trend channels, which I know is very important, because this resistance and support is mainly in a range market, this kind of one. So I'm also going to show you also how to draw it in a ranging market. Very important. And I say thank you everyone for watching. Keep watching, subscribe, and keep liking, and keep following me on all social networks. And God bless you all. Thank you.